This video covers the use of an optional wood moisture sensor or water alert sensors with an ATMOX controller. Select controllers have the ability to add these optional sensors to provide additional information or alerts. The wood moisture sensor is the most frequently installed sensor. Wood moisture readings provide better information on conditions than relative humidity readings that will fluctuate. The wood moisture measurement will be shown on the display screen. If there is no sensor attached, the controller screen will show NA. A high wood moisture reading will trigger an alarm notification. To install the wood moisture sensor, determine the best placement location. Mount the sensor to a joist with 2 screws. Select your screws based on your surface. Attach the cable from the sensor to the controller in the slot marked Wood. You can use extension cables to reach the controller location. Reboot the system by removing power from the controller and restarting the system. You will see readings on the display. Please note that it can take several days for the wood sensor to acclimate to the new environment and give accurate readings. The water alert sensor is designed to register an alarm if it gets wet. It is typically used in a sump pump or condensate line to notify a malfunction. There is no reading on the controller display unless there is an alarm. The water alert sensor will trigger an alarm if wet. To install the sensor, you can use cable ties to fasten the sensor into place. Attach the cable from the sensor to the controller in the slot marked Water. You can use extension cables to reach the controller location. For either sensor, be sure to fasten the cable to joists. Be careful not to staple through any cables. Create a service loop at each coupler location. Do not create tension on the cables when securing. For additional assistance, visit us at atmox.com or call us at 704-248-2858.